Hello everyone, welcome to SETU100 and welcome to the project. So today we are just going to design a form like where we are going to reservation for the burger. We are going to order the burger as well. All right. So here we are using the radio buttons, check boxes as well. So we need to select a burger over here. Then we need to select a drink. You guys can choose only any one drink. And you need to select the toppings. We can choose a toppings more than 1, 2, or 3. All right. So when we select all the things and when we make a click on the submit button, so you can see this card will display your order details. All right. Whatever you ordered, this card will display to you. So here that it is showing me a mocktail with feta sauce and pesto mayo, and I am going to order a veggie burger. One more. So here you can see if I'm not selecting any burger over here, I'm going to submit it. So now it is showing me an error. Please select a burger. All right. So we are just going to make this project. You will get the student link in your reading material. You need to come up to the student link. So here, in the project link, you will get all the details, all the codes on the HTML file. All right. We have created, you will get the complete designing over here. We need to just make a code for the actions, for the responsiveness, and you can see that so we have created these are the drop down lists, all the radio buttons and all the check boxes available. And you can see over here, I am giving a different unique IDs to every component, right? That is the ID drink for my first radio button, coffee, mocktail, and here that is the ID onion sauce. So I'm just going to link the JavaScript file with the help of all those IDs what I applied in the HTML file. So first of all, here we need to write it. And you guys can see, I already put the code over here to link the script file. Okay, don't forget to link it. Okay. So now come up to the JavaScript file and here I'm just going to write the code. Const. Here I'm taking a constant variable. Const select document dot get element by ID. So we all know why we are taking the constant variable, because we want this value should be constant. Okay. And we are taking, this is the variable name, and we are taking this statement just to fetch the values from the burger. All right. And we have already given that ID to the given that ID burger in the HTML file. So here you guys can see that I have provided the ID burger over here. Okay. So now I'm just going to link the JavaScript file with the help of this ID. Okay. Now I'm going to create the rest of the variables, and I'm just going to make the all the constant variables. So here you guys can see I have created all the 3 variables. These 3 variables for the radio buttons with the ID coffee, drink, coffee, and mocktail, and then created the rest of the 3 constant variables for the check boxes, onion, sauce, and mayo, and this variable for the order. Okay, I have provided this order ID here in my HTML file, and here you guys can see Now I have given that ID to the paragraph where you will display your order details, all right, for this card. So now let's back to the JavaScript file. And here I'm just going to use a function to call the button. So basically, I'm just calling this function. I'm just using this function for calling the button. All right. So why I'm taking this generate event, because I already created that generate event over here on my button. On click generate event, I created over here, and I am calling it with the help of the function in the JavaScript. And here I'm just going to give the details, and here I need to put the if else condition as well, because we are using a lots of options. So here we need to use a if else ladder to just choose the specific options as well. So here I'm taking a details variable order is equal to your order. So why I'm taking this variable, it is not a constant variable, because every time your order details can be changed. Your order. Now, this is the constant variable, the burger, select dot value. So why I'm taking this? Whatever the burger I selected, whatever the burger the user selected over here in that section, okay, it will save in this constant variable. All right. And now come up to the if condition. Here we need to start to put the if condition. If burger is equal to, we are taking a strictly equal marks. If it is empty, means we are not selecting a burger over here. So it should be showing an alert. And here I am providing the alert. Please select burger. Else, if we have selected, so now it should be just save in my order variable. Okay, the variable which is applying over here, that is the order. So it should be the order title should be here. From here, my order title is getting add in my order variable. So my order variable would be equal to order plus burger plus whatever I am going to select animal. Now again, I am taking a if condition. Now we are going to start to check the radio buttons. All right. So now we are checking our radio buttons. Whatever the radio button, whatever the drink I am going to select it, this if ladder will select the drink over here. So here I am taking a radio dot tagged order is equal to order plus, now it is starting to add the drink whatever we are going to select, radio 1 dot value. Same if condition, we need to just, this is the radio 1. Same if condition, we need to put for rest of the 2 radio buttons. So let me add it. Now I'm going to put the condition after to check all the radio 1, radio 2 and radio 3. Now I'm going to just add all the details in the order plus now I'm starting to check the if condition for the check boxes here. For the check boxes. So here I'm putting a if condition. If check 1 dot checked order is equal to order plus check 1 dot value plus and double quotes whatever the value we are going to select. Now after the same, as we selected the 3 if condition for all the 3 radio buttons, now just we need to add all the 3 conditions for all the 3 check boxes. So let me add it. So here you guys can see I have put it all the if conditions for all the radio buttons and the check boxes over here. Now it will check and show the orders and just save all the details in the order variable, whatever the details we are going to fill in the form. Now, what I just want to show my order details in the paragraph what I selected here. So that is my paragraph, that its ID is ordered and whatever the details I want to show over here. So for this, go to the script and here we need to use a paragraph. It should fetch all the details. For fetching the details, we need to use the statement text content is equal to order. All right. So at this point, our project has been completed. Now let me run it. I'm just going to open this, a new tab, and you guys can see when I'm going to select a burger, veggie burger, cold coffee and feta, onion rings and the feta sauce, submit. And now it is showing me the output over here, right? It is showing me my order details on the top on the card. All right. If I'm not going to select any burger, so it should show me the error. So yes, now it is showing me the error. So I hope guys the concept, whatever that we used in this project, that we use many concepts over here, it is clear in your mind and you enjoy the project. Thank you.